Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to use your MasterCard gift card on Amazon. Whether you're treating yourself or shopping for gifts, this step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. Let's dive right in. First off, before you jump into shopping, verify your MasterCard gift card. Check the balance online through the issuer's website or by calling the number on the back of the card. This ensures you have enough funds and that the card is activated. Most gift cards need this step to work properly. Once that's done, head over to Amazon's website or app. Log into your Amazon account to get started. Now, browse for your favorite items, search using the bar at the top, and add them to your shopping cart. Take your time. Amazon has everything from books to electronics. When you're ready to check out, click on your card icon and select Proceed to Checkout. On the payment page, you'll see various options. Look for the section to add a new payment method, usually under Credit or Debit Card. Enter your MasterCard gift card details carefully. That's the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code on the back. Don't forget to input your billing address. Amazon uses this for verification, so make sure it matches the one associated with your gift card if possible. Review your order one last time to confirm everything looks good, then hit Place your order. If all goes well, the payment will process from your gift card and you'll get a confirmation email from Amazon. One quick tip: if you run into any hiccups, like the card being declined, check for restrictions on the gift card or try using it on Amazon's desktop site instead of the app. It's usually straightforward, but these things can vary. And there you have it. You're all set to shop smarter. If this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.